Hello, I'm Roger Keller from Consolidated Electric Cooperative Incorporated. I'd like to take a few minutes to express to you the importance of safety of down power lines and generator use. If you should happen to be in a vehicle in an accident and you have down power lines around you, just stay in the vehicle and wait for the proper authorities to get there. Do not try to get out of the vehicle. You're safer in there than you are trying to walk away. If you must get out of the vehicle due to the car being on fire or something to that aspect, please keep in mind, stay calm and shuffle your feet with baby steps. Do not take a normal stride. That causes an indifference in electricity that could travel through your body. And just because you do not see sparks on a down power line does not mean that the line is not energized. So never assume that there's no power there because you don't see sparks. If you are not near it, then don't go near it. Just wait for the authorities to take care of that. The other thing I'd like to talk about is generators and hooking them up properly. The need for families with medical equipment and food storage and water disposal, sump pumps, when there's power outage, people use generators. But we want to make sure that it's hooked up properly so you do not feed back the power line. The lines that feed your home go through a transformer and reduces the voltage to 240 to your home. When you hook that up improperly, you could send voltage back to the line, which increases the voltage to thousands of volts, which is very dangerous for the lineman. So you must have a generator transfer switch that knocks the generator from feeding back to the high power lines. Some utilities may want to inspect that when that's done to make sure it's hooked up properly. It's for your safety and your neighbor's safety and the lineman's safety that it be done properly. There are some utilities offer a transfer switch which goes right in place of your meter, and then your meter sticks to this side. And if there is a power outage with a special plug, you can plug into the bottom. And this switches the power off so it does not feed back to the utility. When the utility power comes back on, you just unplug your cord and it switches back to the utility power. Another thing that's very important is that you do not overwork your generator because that creates heat. The cords could overheat, catch a fire, and things like that. So most generators have a booklet that will give you the various wattages. Match those wattages up to your generator. Do not use more wattages than what your generator can supply. If you follow those tips, you'll be safe, the lineman will be safe, and have a good day.